Michelle Thomas, and I'm part of the medical team here at Revitalize Health Solutions in Palm Harbor, Florida. We're a functional primary care practice that specializes in finding the root cause of your disease process or health concerns. At Revitalize Health Solutions, we have a team of functional providers and a functional dietitian to help you with all aspects of your health and recovery. I want to talk to you today about a very popular syndrome in today's hectic society. We're all running around and doing a million things just to go to bed and do it all over again the very next day. It's causing patients to feel exhausted, depressed, anxious, and eventually even becoming sick. This condition or syndrome is called adrenal fatigue. This is felt by patients as chronic exhaustion or even first thing in the morning, sometimes even after a good night's sleep, feeling like you've been up all night. Giant cups of coffee in the morning and afternoon energy drinks are being consumed and they're helping for a little bit, but then the dreaded crash and eventually the inability to fall or stay asleep. Sound familiar? Well, I want to explain the gradual way this adrenal syndrome comes upon you and what you can do to help get your energy back. Adrenal fatigue happens in 3 stages and over a short or more gradual amount of time, depending on the person. In stage 1 of this adrenal syndrome, fatigue can be very gradual but still overwhelming. It's caused by a prolonged stimulus to the adrenal glands from a stressful lifestyle, like a work situation, an illness, or even planning a wedding. Stress, whether happy, sad, mad, or joyous, is perceived by the adrenal glands as a call to action to release more cortisol to handle the stress that's going on. In this early stage, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and DHEA, the sex hormone levels, are also altered, which cause a downturn in the immune system and the metabolic rate. Some people can tolerate this phase 1 stage for many years. Others feel it almost immediately as a change to their energy, mental health, and sleep recovery. Now's the time. If you think you have these symptoms, you need to ask for help. If you don't reach out for help and the stressors continue, you may be headed towards stage 2 of adrenal fatigue. Think of it like trying to run up a hill at full speed. You may be able to go up a few steps, but you're tired and realize that something's definitely wrong and you're not going to make it all the way up the hill. In this stage, stage 2, your cortisol and DHEA levels continue to decline throughout the day, but go up in the evening as the body tries to overcompensate and make more cortisol. The increased need for cortisol during the day due to stress depletes the adrenal gland reserve so that at nighttime when the cortisol is produced during the resting phase, the body has to struggle to make additional reserves so that you may proceed going on the next day. It's a constant state of catch up. In this phase of adrenal fatigue, a lot of symptoms can happen. The patient may develop depression, sweet cravings, decreased sex drive, insomnia, poor memory, anxiety. Their immune system may become weakened. They may have recurrent infections like sinus infections or colds, unexplained nervousness, irritability, and they may gain weight as well. Joint pain and muscle pain are also very common. The final stage of this adrenal syndrome is stage 3. In stage 3 of adrenal fatigue, the adrenal glands fail to meet the demands and are no longer able to produce enough cortisol to keep up. Patients are exhausted and often describe a crash. Even in the evening, unlike in phase 2, the nighttime cortisol levels are very low. Several other hormonal imbalances occur in this stage as well. In this phase, there's no denying that chronic fatigue is upon you. Most often, the individual is unable to perform routine daily activities like work, their household chores, or even taking care of their family. In this stage, recovery is the only way out. But how do you recover from adrenal fatigue? The first thing is to get help from a team that can help guide you through the process with diet, lifestyle alterations, supplementation, and pharmaceutical IV infusion therapy. This process is not a quick fix, but it can be done right, and you can recover and feel energized again. Visit us today at revitalizehealthsolutions.com. You can also call us at 727-342-0999. We're in sunny Palm Harbor, Florida. We'd love to see you if you live in the area, but if not, we are a destination clinic. We see people from all over the country. Let us help you get back to your energy today.